So you guys remember this video of when my little girl turned 6 months and I tried to bake her a cake. At that time, I promised myself that I would practice. So when she's ready for her first birthday, I would be in a good position to make her the most fantastic first birthday cake. So to be honest, between me and you, since then, I haven't practiced. I haven't actually baked a cake, but here we are in the kitchen and she's turning 1 tomorrow. So this is the night before and I am making her first birthday cake. So of course, as per usual, I'm using the Betty Coca cake mix to make 1 vanilla sponge cake. Now, we're not the biggest jam lovers, so I just put a little bit of jam and then some icing for the filling. At this point, I was beginning to worry because I thought that gap was a bit big, but I went ahead with the first coat of the icing. I put it in the fridge overnight, and then the next morning I tried to continue smoothing it out, but that was taking ages. So in the end, I just did some random finger wave thing for the side. Now it's time for the decorating. I don't know who sent me to bake and decorate this cake, but we move. Freestyling. We're doing some freestyling at the moment with some pink balls. Oops. How are you supposed to make these stick? Surely there must be a technique to this. But for now, we're just gonna stick them in there. Ooh, they're sliding off. Oh, my baby girl, baby. My girl is on. So guys, this is the final look. When I was icing, I was tired of trying to smooth out the sides, so I thought, you know what, we're gonna do a little rough trick. So I just used my fingers to do some kind of rough effect, we're gonna call it that. And then for the top, I tried to do some swell thing. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. We're gonna call it rough / smooth effect. And then the flowers, I saved these flowers from her 6-month birthday cake because I wanted to repeat and use again for the first birthday. So there are those. And then we added some pearls to the top, and then added in this happy birthday topper from the shop, and then these are some white chocolate letters. So all in all, this is the final look. For someone that's not a baker, I'm proud of myself. I gave myself E for effort. What do you guys think? Let me know. Give me tips. Give me tips, guys. I'm not trying to be a baker, but I'm just putting it out there. It's going to be my task, my aim every year to bake her a cake for her birthday. I said to the Lord, if I have a girl, and he blessed me with a girl, she will be the reason that I will try to learn how to make cakes. So here we are. This is year 1. And by God's grace, as she grows older, we shall learn to bake and enjoy the kitchen together. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.